All right, what else is on that card?
$500 trade-in value guarantee.
Well, the $500 trade-in guarantee works exactly like it does on the new vehicle. If you have your vehicle serviced in our service department while you own it, when you bring it back, because it's worth more to us than it is anybody else in town or the state of North Carolina, we'll provide you $500 over book value for it. That's how badly we want your trade-in. What else is on the card?
Key replacement.
Key replacement. Jerry, what is key replacement?
The package that I've seen prior is if you lose a key, damage a key, it'll replace one key or a fob.
It'll replace the key or the fob as whatever it is. How long is it good for? What's it say on the card? 6 months.
Is that included with the Motor Trend certified no extra cost, the EasyCare Select Plus?
Yes. Now let me give you a real life example of what that's worth. Back in April of last year, I bought a new vehicle. It didn't come with any of this cool stuff. Had the car for a month, took it to the airport, flew to Greensboro, flew to Sarasota, flew back to Atlanta, got back to my car, and what did I not have?
Key.
Did not have a key fob. Somewhere between Greensboro and Sarasota, it disappeared. $55 Uber ride home to get the other key. $55 Uber ride back to get my car. Take it to the Honda store. $375 for a replaced key fob plus programming. So that is $485 that came out of my pocket.
Some of the foreign cars, you gotta replace the computer module.
Really?
I know Saab, when we had the Saab franchise, if you had one key and lost it, you had to put a SIM module in it, about a blank in key, about $1,400.
Okay, well, I know we're not going to do that. Okay? We're not going to replace the computer module. We will replace the key and key fob, and we will pay for programming. We will also provide an additional $200 if the customer loses their entire key ring. So we'll give them additional $200 to replace other keys on their key ring. My Uber rides would have been covered. If I'd needed a locksmith, that would have been covered as well. One key replacement claim can run up to $950. And we will replace, during those first 6 months, 2 keys. If someone loses more than 2 keys in 6 months, they're on their own. Now, if I buy a brand new Nissan, do I get key replacement? No, I don't. So this provides the Motor Trend certified customer a benefit that even the new car customer doesn't get. Okay? What else is on there?
Paintless dent repair.
Paintless dent repair. What in the world is that?
We pop another dent.
Jerry, what percentage of the people that trade in cars have got dings and dents?
60%.
I'd say it's closer to 90.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Especially around here, people can't drive.
Well, yeah, I mean, look, if you park your car, you're probably going to get a ding or a dent sooner or later. What does it cost to pop out, if the dent can be fixed using the paintless dent repair process, what's it cost at retail to get a dent or a ding the size of a dime fixed? Not quite that much. It's 50, 60 bucks for a smaller one. If it's credit card size, which is about as big as the paintless dent process can handle, it can be up to 150 bucks. What percentage of the people get their dings and dents fixed? Negligible. I mean, there's some OCD people who probably would. Okay, but most people, have you ever had a ding or a dent fixed?
Never got one.
You've never gotten one?
No, my obsessive with my car.
You are.
Yeah.
Jarek, I know you're not.
Well, I drive a 1990 F-150, so definitely not.
1990 F-150.
Mm.
You're still driving that?
Yeah.
That's strong.
Well, I've only had it for a year.
Okay, but somebody else had it before you did, I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
That's a 30-year-old vehicle.
Yeah, it's only got 100,000 miles on
Oh, that's brand new then. Nice.
it. Yeah.
But if you get a ding or a dent, you gonna pay to have it fixed?
No.
No. You ever paid to have a ding or a dent fixed on your own vehicle? Okay. What'd it cost?
Well, when I was running the place over there, I mean,
Oh, you had them do it on the lot, the people who did it on the lot for you, okay. Most people don't have them fixed. Most people have no idea what it costs to get them fixed. But if you get a ding or a dent, are you going to pay for it eventually? How so?
Trade-in.
When you trade the vehicle in. Does your average consumer know that?
No.
Look, the salespeople who are going to make the most money in this business in the coming weeks, months, days, years are going to be the salespeople who are the best at educating the customer. Most customers are terrible at buying cars and trucks. They don't know what they're doing. They do a ton of research, don't get me wrong, but they only do it once every what? 4 or 5 years, 6 years? How can you be good at something you do once every 4 years? And the answer is you can't be.